and go back one more. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. So now, okay, so boom, here we are. We've opened up an Android phone and we've downloaded the Metatrader 4. So now what we want to do is start, Alex, we're going to start your demo account so that you can learn how to take trades and do your thing. So perfect. We're going to click on the top right-hand side. After we went to the three dot page, we scroll down, we saw manage accounts. And now we're here for manage accounts. Now the plus sign, we're going to click on the plus sign and click open a demo account. And where it says find a broker, we're going to search a broker. Okay. So we're going to search Hugo's Way, Hugos Way, Way. Oh, sorry. Hugos.
Oh,
Boom. Demo 3. Yep. That's perfect.
okay.
Okay. So here you're going to put in your name, number, and email. Name, first and last name.
And last name?
Correct. And then your email and phone number. And then you're going to scroll right down and you're on Hugo's Way. Perfect. So for leverage, we're going to click on leverage and change it to 1 to 200. The reason why we want it at 1 to 200 is because we don't want to over risk anything, or we don't want to over leverage our account. Okay. We don't want to blow any accounts. 1 to 200 is a good medium, you could say, for proper risk. And well, you're going to manage your risk when you go to trade. Risk management comes before anything. Being disciplined, risk management comes before anything. But we want 1 to 200. More on the purpose of that on another call, on another training. Deposit. We're going to click on deposit and put $3,000. Okay. Basically, because it only gives you 3,000. Oh, yeah. Basically, it only gives you 3,000 or 100,000 to play with as a practice account. And we want 3,000 because it's more relatable to the average individual, etc. So boom, you're going to click on create account and it's probably
Oh,
going to give you, yeah. Did it work? Unable to, oh, wait. Oh, did it work? Yeah, it just worked. So you can
yeah.
screenshot that if you want. You don't necessarily really need your login information, but if you ever get locked out, then you can log back in and start from where you were for your demo account.
Okay.
So you just click on done. Perfect. So this is the page. It already comes up automatically. On an Apple iPhone, it would have, this would be like the advanced look to it versus simple, but it's all good. This is the advanced look to it. Basically, what you're seeing on the left-hand side are the currency pairs. Okay, Alex?
Okay.
And then the spread, where it says spread, that shows the number of pips of spread that the broker's going to take for your trade. Okay, so if you
Okay.
see Euro USD spread is 6, that's going to be 6 pips. Um, mostly, for the most part, it works like that. Sometimes it's a little bit different. But yeah. So um, I had a Bitcoin transfer here. I was just trying to look at it, but okay. And then the right-hand side, we got 2 columns, the low and the high. Okay, so that's the asking price and the selling price. It's not going to matter a whole lot, except basically you could look at this. If I went to the bank and I wanted to go to London, England tomorrow, I'm in Canada. We're in Canada right now, right? If I want to go to London, England, I'm going to buy the pound for my Canadian dollars. And
Mm-hmm.
then when I come back, I'm going to sell it to the bank, but it's going to be at like a few cent less difference because that's the exchange rate and that's the you could say the commission for the currency exchange, banks, markets, stuff like
Yeah.
that. Anyway, so if we click on, so anything with the US dollar pairs, they are the major pairs. If we scroll down a little bit on it on this page, you've got, so you got USD JPY, and then you got like exotic pairs. Okay. Euro check, and then Euro DKK, Euro, believe that might be Hong Kong. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure because they're the least traded pairs. Okay. They're the least traded pairs. We don't really need them. So what we're going to do is click on the pencil on the top right-hand corner, and we're going to click on Euro Czech Republic. See that?
Yep.
Yep. See that? We're going to, or click on the delete button on the top right. Maybe that'll do it. Perfect. We're going to click on Czech Republic. We're going to click on Danish krone. We're going to click on the next one. There you go. Hong Kong dollar. And then scroll. Can you scroll up anymore or no?
That's it.
Okay. And then go back to the bottom. Perfect. That's it. Okay, cool. We're going to delete those right away for sure. Okay. So delete those. Perfect. Now you've got the major pairs, the only real pairs that you have to look at as a beginner when you're starting to learn how to trade and analyze the markets. Ideally, you're only going to want to look at 3 different pairs at a time and study those pairs. Okay. So for anybody who's new watching this, Alex, for yourself, my man, you're only going to want to study, like I said, maybe 3 pairs at a time and analyze how they look. More of that discussion on another call together, another training. But from here, now let's hit the plus sign. The plus sign is how we add currency pairs. So let's say you're looking at the scanners, or you're getting a signal from somebody and you want to search a random trade like NZD JPY. You can just search them right there. You should be able to type in NZD JPY. Perfect. You're going to click on that. It's right there, the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. So click on that.
That's it, Lee?
Yeah. So you did click on it?
Okay. It doesn't let me go.
Okay. Did you click on NZD JPY? There you go. Perfect. Now go back
Okay.
on the top left-hand button. There you go. Scroll down.
It doesn't come up, Lee.
Oh, shoot.
That's it.
Weird.
And
Maybe just try searching again for fun. Yeah.
there you
Click,
go.
click on that pair. There you go.
Yeah.
I think that did it now. So go back now.
Yeah. It's there now.
There we go. You got it. You got it. You got to click on it. There we go. So now let's go back to the plus sign. What we need to add to are the crypto pairs. Okay. We're going to be trading crypto in a little bit, right? We want to add the crypto pair. So let's look up BTC USD. There you go. Bitcoin against the US dollar. We're going to click on that. Perfect.
Okay.
Exit that out. The next one is ETH USD. And that's Ethereum against the US dollar. Click on that one.
Okay.
And then we want to add one more XRP USD. Perfect. Then we go back. Boom. We've got all 3 of them there. Nice. So let's not look at Bitcoin or anything like that right now. Let's just look at something like USD CAD. Okay. We're in North America. You know, it's relatable a little bit. We're going to click on USD CAD. Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Click on the 3 lines, maybe. That doesn't do anything. Eh? Weird.
No.
Oh, wait, go back. Or yeah, there you go. There you go. Now click on USD CAD. Boom. So we got new order, open chart, symbol properties, blah, blah, blah. The only thing that we really need is opening the chart allows you to see the chart. Clicking on new order is to take a trade. Okay, so for now, let's just click on open a chart. Perfect. And then boom, that's our chart. So right now, you already have the RSI on the chart. Number 1, that's the bottom kind of rectangular screen there. And then the red line in the middle is going to be an EMA. It's going to be an exponential moving average of some sort. I don't know which one it is right now. It looks like it could be the 50 or the 100, but we'd have to go in your settings to look at it. So let's scroll. Let's look at your bottom row of icons there on the app. Perfect. Or sorry, let's stay on the screen while we're at it. So see the plus sign looking thing at the top there?
Yeah.
If you click on that.
That?
Okay, yeah. It's gonna be like a cursor. It's just a cursor showing you what price is at different candlesticks and price points. Now, if you click on
Okay.
the F, let's click on the F and see what that looks like. Main chart, moving average, and then it shows your indicator. So let's click on main chart and see what comes up for that. Perfect. So this is where you can add different things. You can add indicators to your chart. We're not going to do it right now because, you're going to learn how to do that, of course, as you go through the academy, as you go through the material and get to know what each of these things are. Like Bollinger Bands, you may
Mhm.
want on it, but really we're not going to use any indicators anyway. So, but
Okay.
oscillators, if you scroll down just for fun to take a look at it really, really quick, MACD, momentum, scroll down a little bit more if you
Oh,
can. Yeah, there you go. Stochastic oscillator. Take a note of that, guys. You might want to look at the stochastic oscillator in the near future for, yeah. Um, Perfect. And then we got accumulation, distribution. Okay, cool. That's all we really need to look at. So let's go back. Let's
okay.
go back. That's just where your indicators are. And then out of curiosity, click on, oh, never mind. It's all good. Go to the money sign at
Oh,
the top. Oh, that allows you to change your
the chart.
chart. Let's click on the clock. Perfect. That
Okay,
shows you the
that's
time frame. That shows you the time frame. Okay, so we
yeah.
got 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour and stuff like that, right? That's what those represent. So right now, at the top left-hand corner, it shows USD CAD 5 minute or minute five, right?
Hmm.
So now let's click on the 1 hour just to see what the 1 hour looks like.
Okay.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that is USD CAD on the 1 hour, meaning each of those candlesticks are worth 1 hour of time, right? Now, so that's perfect. That's how you change your time.
Okay.
So the top right hand corner, let's click on that, whatever that is, a plus sign. And I'm saying whatever that is because I have an Apple iPhone and this app is different than the Android, which is what we're looking
Yeah.
at now for the Metatrader 4. So click on the top right hand corner. Let's find out what that is.
That there?
The top right, it's got like a plus sign with like a paper. The right hand, other side. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, so that's the button to take a trade. Okay, so
Okay.
you see the words market execution there. Market execution means you're going to go into the market right now, whatever price is at right now. If you click on market execution, you're going to see, let's check it out.
Okay.
You're going to, yeah, click. There you go. We've got buy limit, sell limit, and buy stop and sell stop. We're not ever going to use buy stop or sell stop. So don't worry about that. But buy limit means, let's say we think price is going to come down to a certain price. If we set a buy limit, we're going to set a trade, a new order for a particular price at a low. And when price comes back down to the low, it's going to kick us into the trade automatically, hoping that the market's going to reverse and go to the upside and we be in a buy trade. A sell limit is the exact opposite. A sell limit represents putting in a new trade, new order at a price that's a higher price. So as the market comes up, it kicks us into the trade automatically at a higher price, hoping that the market's going to reverse and go back down. And then we'd be in a sell position and making money as price goes to the downside. Why does that happen for new people watching this video, the recording? Because we can trade, we can buy in the market and sell in the market, hoping price is going to go down and make money going both ways. So let's click on market execution again. We can exit out of that kind of thing. Perfect. Now, Alex, you see the 1.00?
Yeah.
Perfect. So if you see the 1.00, that represents the lot size. Exactly. You just clicked on the
Okay.
negative 0.01, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now let's click on the far left one, negative 0.1. That's going
Okay.
to lower our lot size by 0.1. Now click it one more time. Now click the right one again, negative 0.01. Perfect. Now we're at a 0.01. There you go. So
Yeah.
that means we're going to make money. We're going to make 10 cents per pip that we're in the trade and the trade's going in our direction. Do the plus 0.01. Yeah,
How many
go up
times, please?
to 0.1. Yep, boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go back
Sorry,
down.
Lee.
Go, no
Yes.
worries. You're all good, all good.
Okay,
There
there.
you go. You got it now. You got it now. So you can change it from 0.1, 0.01s, and then increments of that obviously in between. 0.1 means we're going to make $1 per pip, or risk $1 per pip, or earn $1 per pip in the market. And by pip, I mean point in percentage. And if you're watching this for the first time and you're new, you don't have to worry about the details so much right now. You just have to know how to take a trade and practice doing that. The learning is going to come from the experience. Obviously, you're going to have questions. Obviously, you're going to need more help trying to identify what each of these things are and what each of the terminologies is and stuff like that. But like I said, all you need to know right now is getting help and getting used to taking a trade. Perfect. So now, um, see the bottom left hand, or the 0.0001 or 00 with the red line underneath it, right?
Uh, okay.
That is where our stop loss is going to go. So we're going to set a stop loss price so that if
Oh,
price comes past a certain area, it kicks us out of the trade. It kicks us out of the trade with a small loss, because we're not here to lose money. We're here to make it, right?
okay.
The green line represents our take profit point. So if we're in a buy trade and we're hoping that the market's going to go up, if we have a take profit for a higher price of the app, it's gonna take us out of our trade automatically at a higher price with the profit that we intended to take, and profit from the market. Okay. So it's a little bit different than what we were learning for. This is a side note for Alex and I right now on the call. It's a little bit different than binary options. And you'll get used to the differences as we go along, of course.
That's okay.
There you go. So, and then at the bottom, you're going to press sell or buy. So if we think the markets are going to go down and we want to make money as it goes down, we just press sell. If we think
Okay.
the markets are going to go up, then we press buy for whatever trade that we're inputting. More on that later on. Let's get used to the app again still. Um, so so practice typing in 1 point, and the 1.25 there represents the difference between the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. So
Okay.
one US dollar is worth $1.25 Canadian
Okay.
right now, for example, or that's what you have for your stop loss.
Yeah.
So play with that for a second, go up and down, type in some numbers, type in a
Yeah.
1.3000, Alex.
1.3. That's like that, Lee?
Perfect. Yep. And then for your take profit for the green side, type in a 1.55. $1.55. Okay. Uh,
Ah,
Perfect. And then don't press buy or sell or anything like that. That's just what you did. Let's go back though to the main page again.
okay.
Page expired.
What?
Um, Sorry. Hang on, Alex. Hang on, buddy. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. We're gonna take a
Oh,
pause here really quick.
okay.
This is I just gotta do something really quick. My apologies. Go to
Okay.
wallet. Rate expired. What is going on? Sorry, I'll just be like 30. I'll just be like 30 seconds, Alex.
That's fine.
What the heck?
Minutes.
Sweet, 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 sweet. Okay, cool. So, all right, Alex, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. So, let's get right back into it. Perfect. You're back at that page. Good
Oh,
stuff, good stuff, bro. Now let's click on for fun. Let's click on market execution again and click on sell limit or buy limit, whatever. Doesn't matter. Sell limit. Perfect. So we'll see how it changed. See now sell limit
oh,
has the actual price section, right?
sorry about that, Lee.
Oh, no worries, no worries.
Okay, yes.
You got it. You got it. For those watching the call right now, Alex is being a great sport for this recording and going through this as he's learning how to use the app himself. So,
Yeah.
um, price, yeah. So for when we click on sell limit or buy limit, it's going to add another section on the page for price. So all that means is now we can type in the price for where we think the markets are going to go to get kicked into the trade automatically. And if you don't know what that means right now, that's okay. You're going to go through the academy. You're going to learn what that means in terms of making an order for a sell limit or buy limit. It just means you want to be kicked into a trade at a future price, wherever you think price is going to be. Anyways, let's go back now. So that's the new order page, taking a trade page. Perfect. Let's look at the bottom row of icons there, and we'll just
Yep.
be here. I think we'll just be another 5-10 minutes maybe here. So the bottom, what's the middle one? I can't see it actually. There it is. Yeah. So click on the bottom middle icon on the app.
Like this one.
Yep. Yep. Perfect. Or sorry. What was the middle one? The middle one. Oh, that shows your balance, equity, and free margin. Okay. So when you take a trade, it's going to show up there, right? So let's say we took a USD CAD trade, or let's say we were trading the US dollar against the JPY and we entered a trade. That's where the trade would show up. It would show you, you're negative this much or you're plus this much in profit. And you'll also be able to adjust a trade as well. And we'll look at that on another call. But anyways, so now the button to the right shows, let's click the button to the right. What's that one
The
again? That's
deposit.
just gonna be your transactions. That's just going to be your history of transactions of everything that you've done, but it shows your deposit and your balance, whatever. So that's all we need. And then the button to the right again, I think is just like news updates and you can chat with people or something. No news. Okay, cool.
Okay.
If we had a real account, we might have a couple more features added on there. If we had a real account with real money and we got connected with a broker, it might look a little bit different, but it's going to look like this. So the button to the right again, to the far right, I think shows,
Okay.
I don't know what that shows. Let's take a look at it really, really quick. Register, sign in, messages.
To the
Okay,
right?
you don't need that. Okay, you don't need that. So let's click on
No.
the dots at the top left hand button, the three lines again. The top. Yep, there you go. So that's where we have our settings and stuff like that. Let's click on history, mail, economic calendar. Let's click on settings at the bottom there. Yeah. Okay. Advanced
Okay.
mode, order sounds. Okay, so this is where we can, like I said, I'm going through this kind of with you for the first time on an Android. So let's just take a look at it. Where it shows charts, it shows that we are on candlesticks, which is what you want, really. Line charts are okay. See, it says charts and then line type. Line type is okay. Line charts is okay if you're just looking at strictly price action and support and resistances in the market. Again, you'll learn about that, of course, in the academy and as you learn more about Forex and trading. But let's scroll down a little bit more. We got the data display window, show volumes in the market. So showing volumes is just showing like the money flow that's coming in. If there's a lot of money flow, there's probably a lot of buyers in the market. If there's not so much, if the volume's low, then there's probably more sellers. And then we got show trade levels. Okay, scroll down a little bit more. Independent charts, show ask price line, colors. Let's click on colors. Okay. So you can change your colors however you want on the chart and for how it's going to look. You can make the chart black, you can make the chart white, and then you can adjust everything else accordingly if you want. But let's see here. We got black on white, so that just shows that you're going to have a white background pretty much. So the foreground, I think the foreground we need to hang on. Let me look at mine really quick because it'll be similar. It won't be the exact same, but it'll be similar in terms of the settings. Let me just see here really quick. Colors, foreground. Yeah, so the foreground, I think keep as white. And then see where it says grid?
Foreground's white.
You're going to click on grid. Oh, no, sorry. Keep foreground as black.
Okay.
Yeah. And then at least for now. Perfect. And then grid. Let's change grid to white. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully I'm doing this correctly. We'll see. And then volumes, I guess you can just leave as green. Whatever. Yeah, leave as green. Bar up. Okay, this is, see where it says bar up and then below the other one it says bull candle.
Yeah.
The bulls in the market are pushing price up. They're buying and pushing price up. The bears in the market are the people who are they're sellers and they're trying to push price down. So bar up and the bull candle, we need to be the same color. And then bar down and bear candle need to be the same color. Does that make sense, Alex?
Yeah, it does.
Perfect. So let's click on
Yeah.
bar up. And usually they come out as well. This one came out as black
As
and white, as we saw, but we don't want black and white, and we definitely do not want green and red. Red is actually a very, very negative number. If anything, it just causes stress and high blood pressure in people looking at the charts when price is going down. And price going down is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just, it depends on how you look at it in the market. And if you're in a buy position, you're just going to be stressing that price is going to go down when that's completely normal. So anyways, my point there is we don't want it to be green and red like most charts. We don't want it to be white and black. We want it to be kind of color like and something that we want to enjoy looking at. Blue and black is cool. A lot of people use blue and black on a white background. I have like blue and yellow right now. You know, some people use pink and
okay.
purple, like doesn't matter. So for right
Okay.
now, Alex, let's do bar up as blue. Okay, whatever blue you fancy. Okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
bar down, we'll leave as black. We'll just leave those as black. And then bull candle, we would need as blue. You got it. Nice.
Oops.
Okay.
Not the
Yeah,
same
see
one.
how you got them like kind of different blues? Well, let's make them the same blue.
I'm trying to figure which one. There we go.
There you go. I think you got it, bro.
I
Good
got it.
stuff. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And then, oh shoot, let me just open up my app again. Go to it says chart line. chart line, you could maybe make chart line green as well. Okay, try to make it like the doesn't matter, just whatever green. Okay,
A
cool.
lighter green.
Whichever, whichever. Okay, cool. Now let's scroll down. Is there any room to scroll down or that's it? Oh yeah, ask
That's it.
price
Wow.
line. Sheesh. Okay, those won't affect it so much. Let's click on done and take a look at the chart and make sure it looks good.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go
Oops.
to see the second. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Look how lit that looks now.
Hmm.
Sheesh. Nice. Now see the RSI indicator there, Alex, at the bottom.
Yep.
And there's a line. There's the top line of the RSI indicator. Try just tapping that and see if you can. Oh yeah, I forgot it did that. So if
Oh.
you tap the chart, this button comes up automatically and it allows you to change your time frame very quickly. And you can
Oh.
also go to different indicators and stuff like that, like the circle, triangle, and square button, for example. That's something that we didn't really look at yet. So if you click on that really quick, boom, that's where you can add, lines. This is where you can chart on your phone. I like doing it on my computer. But if you're on the go or you're trying to take a trade on your phone, sometimes it's nice to chart and analyze things on the chart on your phone. So this
Hmm.
is where you can add vertical lines, horizontal lines, trend lines, whatever, and then different things onto the chart. So if you scroll down a little bit, you got channels, you won't need that. GAN, you won't need that. Fibonacci. The only
Yep.
Fibonacci tool you guys will need is Fibonacci retracement. Okay. I've been I'm not an expert right now. I'm like nobody's an expert. We're always learning. We're always learning new things, developing our skill, etc. But all the people that we've been listening to, all the expert traders out there actually don't even use indicators. If anything, they use the stochastic for overbought, oversold. They might use a Fibonacci to see where we are in the market in terms of retracements, etc. So the only thing that we really need there is Fibonacci retracement. That's it. Scroll down a little bit more. We've got Elliott waves and shapes, and we don't really need it. Okay, cool. So get out of there. Go back to the other page. Also in Fibonacci retracement, you're going to want to know correct settings for the whatever way you're trying to trade. You might want the 50% on it. You might want the 38% on it if you're trading crypto. You might just want the 50, 61, 78% on it if you're trading regular Forex and currencies. Now,
Okay.
um, for now, just keep the RSI on there. There is a way to get rid of it, but for now, keep it on because it can be a useful tool when you're looking at either entries or exits or retests in the market. But that's a whole nother separate RSI training. So, anyways, that's the app. Alex, any questions right now about the app or how to use it properly?
Yeah. Right now, no.
Okay, cool. Are you able to come on the
I'm
call tonight at 10 o'clock?
at 10. Okay. I'll be on.
Okay, great. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk us through some setups in the market, the scanner, and we did it. We did this last night too. That's what the product utilization and trading chart call is. You know what I mean? If you see it in the group,
Okay. Yes.
that's what
Yep.
those calls are. I'm doing a little bit more of those because you guys are fresh into this type of trading, and anyways, for us Canadians, this is what we got to do right now. If you know what I mean. So with that
Yeah.
being said, we're going to end the call there.
Okay.
Oh, I should have just stopped recording it already.